So this is one of those long questions that you have to really unpick. So a number of students go on a coach trip. The cost of hiring the coach is £180. The school pays 80% of the cost. The students pay the rest of the cost. Each student pays £1.50. Work out the number of students on the coach trip. So firstly, I know the total is £180, but the school pay 80% of that. So the students only pay 20%, and the school pay 80%. Now, if I was to work out 80% of 180, I can find that 10% is 180 divided by 10, which is 18. So 10% is 18, but I don't want 10%, I want 80%. So I'm going to times the 10% by 8 to give me 80. So if 10% was 18, I need to times that by 8, and that will equal 80%, which is equal to 18 times by 8. Well, 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 8 is 64. 80 plus 64 gives me 144. The school pay £144, and I'm just going to put a little note there to say that's what the school pay. Now, if the school pay £144, that means that whatever's left over is paid for by the students. So from 144 to get up to 180, I know that I need to add £36. So 20% equals £36. But that £36 is paid for by the students. So 180, and they pay £1.50 each. So 180 divided by £1.50. 180 divided by £1.50. Well, there's lots of different. 36 divided by 150. There's lots of different ways that I can do this, but I'm just going to go for long division counting up. It's a non-calculator, so I'm going to find this easier. So 10 people would pay £15, which means that 20 people would come to £30. And then I've got, let's add another 2 people onto that. So 22 people would cost 30 plus £1.50 plus another £1.50, which would be £33. 23 people would be 33, £1.50 is £34.50. And 24 people would be another £1.50, which is £36. And I can see from that there are 24 people on the school trip. My answer down here, 24 people.